guys! To see how I use this makeup palette from Deck of Scarlet, keep watching! This is the Deck of Scarlet palette edition number 3. And each palette is in collaboration with a YouTuber. And this palette is in collaboration with Nazanin Kavari. Deck of Scarlet is a subscription for a full face makeup palette, and they're delivered every 2 months for $29.95. You can skip or cancel at any time, and you can also buy the palettes and products separately. All of Deck of Scarlet's palettes are paraben-free and cruelty-free. And there's a mirror on the top. I'm going to try not to blind you. Each palette comes with 3 eyeshadows, a highlighter, a blush, 2 lip colors, and this palette comes with a liquid eyeliner. Some of the palettes come with lip crayons or lip pencils. I'm going to start out by using the blush. This is in the color Baby Doll. Such a gorgeous pink color. It gives you just the perfect flush. Next, I'm going to use this gorgeous highlighter called Yasmin. Oh, this definitely goes on much better with your finger. What a pretty color. I love this neutral brown color. It's like a cool tone brown, and this is called Taj. And I'm blending that with a clean, fluffy brush. And I'm going to use the shimmery pink. This is called Show Cute. I'm going to try wetting my brush with my Pure Bliss setting spray. And I'm just going to blend that in. And I'm using the Yasmin highlighter. For mascara, I'm going to use my L'Oreal Voluminous Million Lashes in Blackest Black. Under my eyes, I'm using my Garnier Anti-Dark Circle Roller. For lips, I'm going to use the Pink Majesty color. Here's a daytime look, super quick and easy. If you want, you can add a little bit of brown liner to the top lash line. I'm going to use my Maybelline Unstoppable in Cinnabar Brown. Now I'm going to take off my eye makeup and do another look for you. I use my Neutrogena Cleansing Towelettes. Now I'm going to use the same brown matte color, Taj. And I'm going to use the gorgeous peach color called Feeling Peachy. I'm going to spray my brush again. And I am going to use the liquid eyeliner, but if you wanted to, you could use the brown Taj color in the palette, spray your brush, you could even just use water, and you dip it in the brown eyeshadow, and you have yourself an eyeliner, a brown eyeliner. This eyeliner is incredible. All of this makeup is amazing. The shadows are super pigmented. The lip colors are smooth and creamy. I love the blush, the highlighter, everything. This is quality makeup, you guys. I'm going to use some of the Show Cute pink in the corner of my eye. And I'm going over that with Yasmin. Now I'm using the lip color of Birthday Suit. Oh, I love this color. So I'm going to wet my brush again, and if you want, you can even take this look one step further. I'm going to use the brown eyeshadow. I'm adding the same peach color to the inner corner. And I'm going to add mascara to the bottom lash line. There is just so many different looks that you can do with these palettes. I could just keep going all day. You could add a nude eyeliner. This one is Scandalize. I will leave a direct link to Deck of Scarlet down below in the description box, and if you click through that link, you will save 25% on your purchase. Have fun, you guys, and thank you so much for watching. Bye!